All right, I'm going to try and keep this as short as possible. And if you know me, you know that's not an easy task for me. I'm a homeowner in the state of Florida. And of course, like most property owners, we have insurance. Our insurance is broken up into two categories. We have the property and the building, and then we have flood insurance because we live next to a canal, so we're in a flood zone. In a declared disaster, such as a hurricane, we face the possibility of damage. That could be anywhere from the building to the roof being torn off. And there are certain things our insurance company expects us to do. Now, think through this process. Our policy clearly states if a portion of our roof gets torn off, we need to mitigate further damage from the rain by getting a tarp on the roof. I've never put a tarp on a roof before. I have no clue how to do it. And if you have 50 to 100,000 properties that are damaged, guess what? People with tarps are busy helping other people, and you may be 3, 4, 5 days out. So think about that. Then you may have a company come in that will help with wet walls and combat against future mold. And that all costs money that the insurance company is aware of. Finally, the insurance company, in their proactive way, sends an adjuster out. Funny thing, during Hurricane Ian, our adjuster came out to look at the house with no ladder and no moisture meter. How could he possibly know the extent of damage without the proper tools? That's like a chef coming into a kitchen without a knife. Seriously? All right. Then Florida requires within a 30-day period, the insurance companies get you out some check. So that if you have, let's say, $100,000 worth of damage, you got to get some money out to the resident because they may need it for supplies, maybe to rent an RV or a hotel room temporarily. And then, of course, there's the $40,000 rule. Should your claim be high and the insurance company sends a check for $40,000 and $1, by Florida law, it goes into a reserve account. And as you repair your house, the bank can send out money to you if you have a mortgage. All right, that's Florida. Here's what's funny. Claim adjusters come out and start fighting with the insurance company. And then they say, oh no, this is $150,000 worth of damage. Let alone, remember that first adjuster that came out. That person came out without the proper tools. So the insurance company sends a second adjuster. Well, guess who reviewed that second adjuster's paperwork? The guy from the first adjustment, who was clearly incompetent to me. Anyway, the whole process takes years. Now imagine this. You're paying mortgage on a house that maybe you can't live in, which means you have to rent another property. Then you have to wait 2, 3, 4 years to settle a claim. Something has got to give. Governor, Florida representatives, stop paying off attorneys on all sides, because the only people that make money in Florida are the attorneys. While this battles back and forth, property owners pay the price. It is time we fix this, speed up the trial. California is known as the overregulated states. We say in the food industry and the healthcare industry, there are 49 states, then there's California. Well, guess what? When it comes to insurance claims, there are 49 states, and then there's Florida. According to attorney friends of mine, a case that would take 2, maybe 2.5 years in any other state will take 4 to 5 years in Florida. And in the process, the only people racking up money are the attorneys. Florida, get your act together. Change the laws.